Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today, this video I'm making for literally for beginners, because today I'm gonna show you some basics that you have to practice if you are a beginner in your art journey. So here I'm gonna show you some basics, some line arts, some lines, some shapes that you have to practice, because in future it will help you more to draw anything that you want. So today I'm gonna show you some lines, and the importance of line art is undeniable because it is one of the basic fundamental of art. You might think that a line is just a line. In fact, Merriam-Webster defines line as a narrow, elongated mark drawn or projected, such as a mark as by pencil, that forms part of the formal design of a picture, distinguished from the shading or color. It leads one to understand line as just the defining mark or outline as around the objects, when in fact there is so much more to it than that. If you ask an artist or an art teacher, they will give you a list of dozens of different types of lines. So today I'm gonna give you some lines, some shapes that you have to practice if you are a beginner, and these are all basics. So today, at first, grab your pencil. Here I am using a 4B pencil. You can use any kind of pencil that you have. So I'm gonna show you some lines, then I'm gonna practice those lines like I do. Nowadays I'm practicing these lines, and these are really good for beginners, and these are basics, so you have to learn it. So at first you have to do is draw a straight line like this. Like this, you have to draw some straight lines. After practicing this, you have to practice this. In case of liners, there are so many shapes, so many lines that you will be able to find, but it's important to practice it because it will help your skills a lot. So do it more than 100 times. Practice it daily. Then you have to go for oval shape like this. Keep doing it. Keep practicing it. Then practice it again. Like this. Then you have to practice circle. I know if you are a beginner, then you will have trouble to draw a perfect circle. Don't worry about it. Just keep practicing. Just draw circle and do over it again and again like this. At first you won't have any perfect circle, which is good, but keep practicing these lines that I'm giving you today, that I'm showing you today. So keep practicing these lines. Now we are gonna draw a triangle. Shapes are important in case of drawing because you need to learn the basic. If you are seeing something and you want to draw it, and if you don't know the shape, then it will be a little bit difficult to draw it for you. So if you know if you can convert it into a shape, then you go for the details. It will help you a lot. Then we have to go for square. Keep practicing over it again and again. Overdraw it again and again. You don't have to do it perfectly, just do it. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 5 kind of geometrical lines that you have to practice. This is the lesson 1 for the beginners in my channel. So this is what you have to practice. So please do it, please practice it, please do it every day. Practice it daily basis, like there is no limit. You practice it for more than 100 times, 200 times. The more times you will be able to do it, the more you will be able to do it perfectly. So you have to practice it daily. And if you are feeling like I'm not a good if you are a really beginner and you are thinking that I can draw even a straight line, this is how you can draw a straight line. If you want to draw a straight line, so just practice it. Just practice these 6 shapes, at least these 6 shapes. Please try this, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll try to do my next lesson soon. So yeah, that's it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.